Some brothers asking, why cannot we do Jummah at home when it is allowed to do Jummah outside the masjid? Again, it's Jummah is about gathering, getting together, inshallah. If you can make some arrangements inside the house and people are okay with it, there is nothing wrong with that. But I think the people who ask, Brother Muhammad Ali, let me put your question there so that people know what you ask exactly. Brother Muhammad, I think the people who suggested this, they are trying to say the masjid parking lot or the masjid in front area or back area, backyard, is like a common place for people. What address, which house, a lot of information there, I think. But you can do it. I mean, if you have an agreement,